Hello everyone, we are JSL and today we're going to be doing an experiment with vinegar and baking soda.
Our prediction is that the tube with the most vinegar will bubble up the most.
You will need 4 test tubes with the lids off. You'll need baking soda, 5 milliliters spoon, a measuring jug, and vinegar. The first step is put however much vinegar you want.
We are going to put in 5 milliliters of baking soda in each tube.
Okay. This is one. Ready? Go.
We're gonna watch how this one foams up.
Here.
So remember guys, that was the 30 milliliter one.
Now we're going to put it in the 50 milliliter one.
Okay, let's put our safety goggles on.
Whoa!
That one foamed up very quickly also.
And it's very white.
Okay, and now we're going to pour it into the 10 milliliters one.
Whoa.
You can see that this one foamed up, but not as much as the others. And now the 20 milliliter. This one also foamed up.
Quite a lot.
Our conclusion is that the more vinegar you have in your container, the more it foams up. This is because there's less space for the reaction to have.